Hey guys, this is Danny at Savage Squid 07. So, today we will be unboxing another Skylander, Master Flarewolf from Skylanders Imaginators. So I think I told you when I did the Skylanders unboxing or gameplay videos that I had him coming. So now I am doing a video. So he is a fire type Skylander, and his fighting class is a bazooka. So he uses a bazooka. So that's really cool. So one person actually requested that I do more Skylanders gameplay videos. But if you guys liked that, then yes, I will keep doing those. I'm planning on to keep doing it till I finish the game. So stay tuned for those. I'm probably going to, for part 3, I'm probably going to play as him, since I will have a new character to film as. Oh, Headless Flarewolf now. Okay, so if you're wondering why I'm taking so long to unbox this, these are actually pretty hard to get open. Just if you're wondering why I'm taking so long. I was hoping for like a perfect unboxing. Last time I got a perfect unboxing, now we have a Headless Flarewolf. So, not perfect at all. Scraps. Wait, it's gotta be more. Gotta be more dramatic, people. Let's throw this. No, just kidding, guys. Okay, so here we have the Skylanders figure, Master Flarewolf. Okay. I cannot get this. Okay. Sorry about the noise in the background, but we finally got him out. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Sorry about all that noise. That was my sister. More scraps. And here. Okay, so here we have Flarewolf. Wow, that is so cool. This is so cool. Look at this. Dang, that's cool. So this is my first fire type, like Skylanders figure, because we haven't made our creation crystal. But wow, look at that. Look, his tail is literally like a flame, and then look how big that rocket is. That's awesome. So, also, look at that dragon look. That's awesome. So then, it also shows you the element on it. Like, it shows you fire marks. And it shows you what class, because it has that on the front. So that's really cool. So yeah, they do make another version of this guy. It's the Easter version though. It's, hard-boiled Flarewolf. Maybe we can try to get that guy for you guys. Maybe do a comparison or something to show you. We are gonna try to get more characters. We're going to be saving, I'm going to try to save for a few more guys, just so I can show you some and get some more guys. So yeah, cool. Okay, comment what your favorite one is that I've unboxed so far. Is it Kingpin, Golden Queen or this guy now. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Trash.